Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how to uninstall apps from the Microsoft Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This is very easy to do, so let's get started. The first step is to click on the Windows button in the corner of your home screen. Then search for and open Apps and Features. Now scroll down until you find the game or app that you want to uninstall. Click on it and then click on the Uninstall button. Click Uninstall again on the pop-up. And that's it, your app or game has been removed from your computer. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.